Hello everyone, welcome back to Power Within Psychology YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great. In this video, we will be discussing about National Forensic Sciences University. We will be specifically focusing on courses offered by School of Behavioral Sciences and School of Forensic Psychology. So let us first listen about a little about National Forensic Science University. This university, with the status of an institution of national importance, is the world's first and only university dedicated to forensics and allied sciences. It has two campuses, one is in Gandhinagar, Gujarat campus and the other one is Delhi campus. Entrance examination. So the format of examination is that in entrance test, we will get 100 MCQs and it will be for 100 marks. Negative marking, so the good news is there is no negative marking, even for unattempted questions. School of Forensic Psychology. So there are few courses offered by them, that is about 5 courses offered by them. So MPhil Forensic Psychology, if you are interested in this course, the campus is Gandhinagar and the syllabus for it is general psychology, system of psychology, personality, psychopathology, psychotherapy, social psychology, biological psychology, psychological measurement, research methodology, and statistics. So this is the major areas from which MCQ questions will be there. And again, here is a note that admission will be based on entrance examination, that is 90% weightage, and interview performance, that is 10% weightage. For course MSc in Forensic Psychology, campus is Gandhinagar. Entrance test will be based on general psychology, research methodology, and statistics. If you are interested in course MA Criminology with specialization in Forensic Psychology, the campus for this is Gandhinagar, and entrance test will be based on criminology, sociology, social psychology, social work related areas. For course MA Criminology, now this course is also in Delhi campus. So entrance test will be based on criminology, sociology, social psychology, social work related areas. PG Diploma in Cyber Psychology. This is a very current and trending field. So if you are interested to do a diploma in this field, then the campus is Gandhinagar, and it will cover sections like general knowledge, English language, reasoning, aptitude, basics of computer and internet. So these were the courses offered under School of Forensic Psychology. And here we have read the MCQ, like the syllabus for the MCQs. Now we'll read about School of Behavioral Sciences. So there are 3 courses offered by them. The first is MPhil Clinical Psychology, and yes, RCI approved. The campus is Gandhinagar. Syllabus for MPhil is Clinical Psychology entrance exam will cover different areas like general psychology, systems of psychology, personality, psychopathology, psychotherapy, social psychology, biological psychology, psychological measurement, research methodology, and statistics. Again, the note is same, that the admission will be based on entrance examination 90% weightage and interview performance, that is 10% weightage. The second course is MSc in Clinical Psychology, and the campus is Gandhinagar. Entrance test will be based on general psychology, research methodology, and statistics. This same is for MSc in Neuropsychology too. Now let's look at the eligibility criteria. So for School of Behavioral Sciences, eligibility criteria for MPhil is MA or MSc from any recognized universities with an aggregate of 55% marks, like above 55% marks. For MSc, it is BA and BSc from any recognized university, and like same for MSc in Clinical Psychology and same for MSc in Neuropsychology. And yes, the duration is like, if you want to know the duration for this is 2 years, and number of seats is also given here. For MPhil there are 13 seats, for MSc there are in Clinical Psychology there are 50 seats, and for MSc in Neuropsychology there are 30 seats. Okay, for School of Forensic Psychology, so again for MPhil we can read here that MA and MSc degree in psychology with a minimum of 55% or equivalent marks from any recognized university, and for STSC it is 50% or equivalent marks. For MSc again it is B and BSc, the eligibility criteria same. For MA it is graduate from any discipline or equivalent from a recognized university. For MA Criminology and PG Diploma, the eligibility criteria is same. The duration for all these courses is 2 years, but for diploma it is 1 year. And the number of seats for MPhil in forensic psychology it is 15. For MSc in forensic psychology it is 35. For MA in criminology with specialization in forensic psychology, it is again 35. For MA criminology, the seats are 30. And for PG diploma course, the seats is 50. Application fees. So the Indian students have to pay 1,000 rupees per program. And for foreign students, it is 50 USD per program. Admission timelines. So closing of online application for all programs is 21 August 2021. So make sure you fill the application form before this date. Issue of admit card is till 10th September 2021. Entrance examination date will be between 18 to 25 September 2021. Entrance test results will be by 5th October 2021. Interview, if any, like there is interview in some courses and not in some courses. So if there is an interview in your course, so it's 7 or 8 October 2021, and counseling session begins from 14 to 15 October 2021. So thank you everyone. We will be linking important links in the description, like the official website of NFSU and the guidelines PDF also. We will be linking it in the description. I hope you have got the necessary information related to this course, and thank you. All the best for your preparation.